Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be sharing with you our top 5 DIY face masks for radiant and glowing skin. These masks are easy to make at home and use natural ingredients that are great for your skin. So, let's get started. Our first mask is a honey and lemon mask. Honey is a natural humectant that helps to lock in moisture, while lemon contains vitamin C, which helps to brighten the skin. To make this mask, mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Oatmeal and yogurt mask. Our second mask is an oatmeal and yogurt mask. Oatmeal is great for exfoliating the skin, while yogurt contains lactic acid, which helps to brighten and hydrate the skin. To make this mask, mix 1 tablespoon of ground oatmeal with 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Avocado and banana mask. Our third mask is an avocado and banana mask. Avocado is rich in healthy fats that help to moisturize the skin, while banana contains vitamin A, which helps to even out the skin tone. To make this mask, mash 1/2 an avocado and 1/2 a banana together until smooth. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Turmeric and coconut oil mask. Our fourth mask is a turmeric and coconut oil mask. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that help to reduce redness and inflammation, while coconut oil is great for moisturizing the skin. To make this mask, mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Cucumber and aloe vera mask. Our fifth and final mask is a cucumber and aloe vera mask. Cucumber has a cooling effect on the skin, which helps to reduce puffiness, while aloe vera is great for soothing and hydrating the skin. To make this mask, blend 1/2 a cucumber and 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel together until smooth. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Please note that the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. These DIY face masks are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any skin conditions. Before trying any new skincare regimen or using homemade face masks, it is always recommended to do a patch test on a small area of your skin to check for any potential allergic reactions or sensitivity. If you have any existing skin conditions or concerns, it's best to consult with a dermatologist or healthcare professional before trying these DIY face masks. The results may vary depending on individual skin types and conditions.